Every great university has a defining moment, a time when it declares not just who it is, but who it's becoming. Together, we're shaping tomorrow.
At Radford, I'm not just a number. Faculty know my name, staff check in on me, and I feel seen.
A culture of care isn't just a phrase here, it's how we live every day.
This is how we build on what makes Radford special and move forward together.
I'm not waiting to start my career. I'm building it right now with real-life experience.
We're guaranteeing experiential learning for every student because the world needs Highlanders who are ready from day one.
My professors don't just teach, they inspire discovery.
They're pushing boundaries in research, and we're a part of it.
Southwest Virginia needs healthcare professionals that really understand this region, and Radford is providing that future.
Radford isn't just in our region. They're invested in success in the Commonwealth.
Through strategic partnerships, we're not only educating students, but we're transforming communities.
We are investing in the future, new technology, cutting-edge programs, and the people to make it happen.
Our voices matter here. When we speak, people listen, and together, we make things happen.
We don't just talk about being collaborative, we live it. Everyone has a seat at the table.
This is where I belong.
Where creativity meets tradition.
Where potential becomes reality.
Where pride runs deep.
This is where we belong.
Where we belong.
Where we belong.
This is Radford University, shaping tomorrow together, and it starts now.